I'm standing here next to a truck bed instead of next to a race car because I'm going to talk about something that comes to the track with me every single time, my Titan fuel tank Sidekick, which is a 15-gallon gas tank that goes right into the bed of my truck without taking up any space I'd otherwise be using. So why not just use some red gas cans or the standard like 7-gallon fill jugs to fill a race car? Because I don't have room for them when I go to the track. I always have a slide-in camper in the bed. It saves money on hotels and gives me a place to hang out at the paddock, but it means that I can't put gas cans in the back of the truck like I normally would, which is where the Sidekick comes in. This thing holds 15 gallons of gas. It's permanently mounted in the bed of the truck with a few self-tapping screws, and it means that whenever I need gas, I can just stick the siphon in and pull some out. And with 15 gallons, it's plenty to run the generator for a weekend, fuel the pit bikes, and top up the race car between sessions. So this thing's about $335. It installs in about an hour or so, and it's been in here 6 months or a year or so. It's got a little wear here and there, but it's been rock solid so far. No leaks, no issues, and I've always had extra gas whenever I needed it. So it's pretty easy to get 15 gallons of gas into the Sidekick. You just unscrew the cap, put the gas nozzle in, and fill it up. How do you get the gas back out? Well, it actually comes with a little safety siphon here, which, I assume that I would use this once or twice and instantly put an electric pump or a drain spigot or something in this tank to get the fuel out more quickly. Honestly, this works perfect. It transfers about 2 gallons a minute. You just drop it down, give it 2 shakes, and then fuel is flowing into your car. It's simple, light, reliable. It doesn't have a power source or anything to worry about. So we go to the track, bring 15 gallons of gas in the Sidekick, and then we're filling up our gas jugs all day from the back of the truck, filling up our pit bikes, everything with a little shaker siphon, and it works great. Another cool thing about the Sidekick is, unlike some of the other big red gas cans you can put in the back of a truck, like those meant for boats or something, this comes with a provision for grounding built right in. So this ground strap here connects from the tank to the sheet metal on our truck, and it means that it's totally safe and legal to fill up the gas can while it's sitting right in the bed of your truck without having to worry about static electricity or any kind of spark or anything like that. Unlike other in-bed gas tanks that are made of aluminum or steel, or you see them welded together from diamond plate and that kind of thing, this one's plastic, and at first that might seem like a negative, but this is unlike any plastic gas can I've ever seen. It is rock solid. I mean, I've literally backed into the slide-in camper with it and not even a scratch. Titan actually drop tests every tank they make too, from I think 30 feet up. They fill it with water, drop it onto concrete from 30 feet, and then see what happens. And if it explodes, they redesign it. So super durable. I think it's a great value for what you get, the fact that it comes with everything to bolt right into your truck. You got to drill a couple holes, but nothing major, nothing I think any used car buyer would ever notice when you go to trade it in or anything. It's been great, rock solid, and it's going to be with me every time I go to the track from now on. If you want to check out the Sidekick for yourself, go to TitanFuelTanks.com. Not only do they make these, they make a million other options from tanks designed to work with fifth-wheel trailers to extended capacity tanks for your diesel pickup truck that can as much as double the stock fuel capacity. Tons and tons of stuff on there, and can't recommend it highly enough. TitanFuelTanks.com.
Support brands that support grassroots motorsports. Get your chemical solutions from CRC Industries. Visit crcindustries.com to learn more.